Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you had a beautiful Thanksgiving dinner with your family and friends. I slept deep, so my hair goes super curly, which is beautiful. We're going to jump in charts. Bitcoin's hovering around. WorldCoin pumped a lot yesterday. Booyah! Ethereum also pumped. UNI pumped, which is beautiful news for everyone who's been following my channel. Bitcoin sitting at 95,700. We hit 97,000 last night, and then on Thanksgiving it just kind of like fluctuated. It does look like a little bit of a bull flag on the 1 hour charts. Everyone's blaming Inverse Kramer for telling everyone to buy at 99k and then the price dropping. It's very funny if you understand. $3.4 trillion market cap, 687,000 views. Bitcoin price.live. You can set this up on your charts TV or your computers as well, and then the charts are just changing. As you can see, it just automatically switches between different time frames. A lot of volume the last few hours. 95, it came down to 94 and then bouncing back. 60k bonus with Bybit if you start trading using this link. It's my favorite exchange for trading, where I trade Bitcoin and everything. We're in extreme greed again, 78. We came to extreme and then went back again to extreme greed. Bitcoin dominance is around 58%, still not yet updated. Bitcoin funding fee positive 95,700, a little bit dropping on this 15-minute candle here. We're going to jump into my account, my charts. Account hitting new all-time high. It would be over 1 million now, which is amazing if you followed this account's journey from 150k, and the fact that I've taken out hundreds of, maybe 500,000 from the account for seed investing and spending over the time, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and my account now again 953. Last night it hit 960. This week from 725 to 952, that's 200. What is that? $120,000 this week. No, this month. Wait, no, this week from 877 to 952, so that's 80. This month from 7 to 223k this month, which is amazing. Woohoo! My Ethereum trade is pumping. If you followed my buys exactly at 3033, it was like perfect, and now we're $29,000 in the profits on this Ethereum trade. It was more last night. Funding fee starting to get pretty pricey. When it gets dangerous is when the funding fee goes to 0.1. Then you want to be a bit cautious. Ethereum $29,000 in the profits on this trade, which is amazing. It's at 200. It's up 100%. It's a $203,000 trade. Bitcoin $7,100 in the profits. It's a $567,000 trade. And my world trade now, it was negative 30k at one point. Now it's positive 12k, which is beautiful. It was positive 20k at some point. It's a $50,000 trade. So I used $12,000 and I've made now $12,000, which is beautiful. 952. And you can see here what I'm holding in spot positions. Those were my futures trades. I've got MCRT, Uniswap 98k, slightly down today, but pumped 20% yesterday. MCRT, I've been buying a lot off the open market. You have to do your own due diligence. I was a seed investor. World up 10% yesterday. The spot position pumping. Ton about flat. This spot position still up a lot. Doge 33k, you guys got me to buy. It's still about even. So it's mainly from the futures trades where I'm getting this move up, which is beautiful. Let's go into Bitcoin technicals. Sorting the charts. World pulling back a little bit this morning, and Uni, but yesterday those two had the biggest runs. Let's go into Bitcoin 95,700 on the weekly candles. We have the bull flag and the cup and handle that have been playing out for a long time, as I've been posting about for months and months. If you've been following my videos, we were buying at 16k down here. That's when the time to go heavy long in, when I was telling everyone. Now we have a cup and handle and a little bit of a bull flag. Target of the bull flag is 104,000 and 109,000, and we have another target of 117,000 based off this bull flag. Wait, let's measure. That's the cup and handle. This is for the bull flag. And you can see that lines up to 104k on the weekly charts. Bitcoin indicator bot on the weekly, still a blue buy, which it fired back in February 2023 at 20k. You get jamescryptoguru.com in the crypto master course. Bitcoin indicator bot firing a buy as well. And today they're going to release a Black Friday deal for the crypto master course and the stock guru master course. On the daily candles, we have a bullish pennant, everyone. Bullish pennant on the daily candles. This one. pole and pennant forming here. When I measured that out, the target is $118,000 for the bullish pennant. Let's go closer onto the 4-hourly. When we go closer into the 4-hourly, I see a little cup and handle here. Cup and handle on Bitcoin. If that little cup and handle plays out, then we get a move to target of this little cup and handle would be above 100K. Let's see if after this week, Black Friday, we go over 100K. That would be amazing. I would still keep this trade on here of this strong support of the bullish pennant. Stop loss underneath. I would still keep that same trade. 93,000 stop, 93,600 stop loss, 91,800. Risk toward 1,800, risking 1,800 to make $24,000. Take profit 100K, 18K. With 10x leverage will be 240,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. And let's go into, I'm going to do Ethereum now. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go underneath the video. Underneath the video down below, sign up to Bybit. You get a 60K bonus. If you've been using other exchanges, losing money, or if they have high fees, Bybit is the best with the lowest fees, in my opinion. Weex is good for USA, UK, and Australia. And you can see the other exchanges, jamescryptoguru.com, to get the Telegram and the courses and the bots. Let's go into the Telegram. We have 181 of you online on Thanksgiving. The world's blaming Inverse Kramer. So Kramer told everyone to buy at 99K, and then it just dropped after that. You can see people trading and discussing sand charts, mana charts, today's charts. You can see what people, Black Friday, Ton made a move yesterday. Let's check out what made a big move. Ethereum made a big move. Uni and World made big moves as well yesterday. So you can see here, your World pump from, you can see, went up to hit my target at $2.90. Look, went to $3. So that's a resistance line now at $3. Let's zoom out. So on World, you can see this big symmetrical, broke out, everyone. World broke out of this big symmetrical triangle, builds pressure. And wait, let's get rid of this symmetrical triangle and just go by this cup and handle. You see it? World broke out, which is beautiful. So big support would be now $1.57, but it broke out of this big cup and handle, and I see a few big patterns here. I see a very strong rounding bottom. I see inverse head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder. If that plays out on this inverse head and shoulders, the distance of the head is how far World will move. So if we measure it out, the target of this move could be $4.50 plus. Then when we zoom in, I can see something. A cup and handle is playing out. You see it? This little cup and handle and V-shaped recovery. And we're going for it. And it broke out of that descending triangle, which is very good news. So now the big resistances. We have big resistance at, we're right now sitting at $2.80. We hit that $3 big resistance. I do see a pattern here. Let's see what we can draw here. See, there's a channel that it's climbing. Multiple touches on this channel. And now it's trying to break through. Interesting. But bottoming patterns on World and volume growing. What I'm looking for now is I keep always going to look on the daily and look for the volume. When the volume starts to drop off anywhere, that's when I'm going to get worried. Right now it's bull market. We don't know how high things can go. My target's $4.20, $5.90. There's a resistance. So at these resistance lines, you can trade it off the bounce. You know what I mean? For example, it came to $3, hit my resistance line, one of my resistance lines, and bounced off. So it can do that along all of these resistance lines. But until the volume stops, I don't stop buying. Uniswap the same. Yesterday, Uniswap had crazy pump. Look at that. Broke out exactly as I drew on my descending triangle. Look at that, everyone. So big descending triangle on Uni. Builds pressure, breaks out. The target is $17, and again the volume is growing. So on the daily, I'm just watching volume. When I see the volume drop off, that's when I get worried and close. Till then, it's bull time. You know what I mean? This is bull season. Also targets all on Ethereum 4,700 and the big target 7,000. If you haven't opened a trade, I would still keep this trade here at 3,428. Stop loss 3,300, and take profit at 7,500, which is amazing, crazy big target for Ethereum. And you can see all my trend lines and what's been going on, and Ethereum already breaking out. And again, on the daily, I watch it. When the volume, right now, volume is growing. Volume predicts price. When I see the volumes drop off, that's when I'll get worried. But till now, everything is pumping. Again, all the links are down below. And you can see like different comments from people. 2021, you got me into trading. I had $60. Now I have over $45,000. Thank you, brother. You got me here, me and my family. Appreciate you. You're welcome. Weex is giving a 20K bonus with $200 deposits. James, you changed my life. Not only I started trading, getting more money, but my mindset changed. Love for you, brother. Keep doing your thing. Appreciate the tips. Following advice has made me 10K in profits, and I have hundreds of comments like this. My portfolio hit over $1 million today because of James. Taking his master course is a must. My gains have been amazing. Listening to channel up 8,000 in less than a month. Bought your course a few months back. Took profits. Bought a hell, and you can just see thousands and thousands of comments like this that I get every day, which is beautiful. And over on X, don't forget to follow me. 94,800 followers. Yesterday I gave away $500 and $500 before. World was pumping, Bitcoin pumping, Ethereum pumping. It's going to be so satisfying. 5 days ago when world starts going parabolic, and then world is now going parabolic, which is beautiful. Elon Musk coming first. Happy Thanksgiving, James. Cheers, brother. World is just getting started. Beautiful. Thank you, Crypto Pioneer. World is pumping, which is amazing. Uni pumped 23% yesterday. World pumping as well. And you can just see things that I'm talking about. Congrats, James. Thank you. Got my 500 USDT. Happy Thanksgiving. You're the best. James is the most honest, kindest person I know. Thank you so much. MCRT coming top of the Web3 gaming. And you can just see that Uniswap pumped. Australia, they passed this draconian totalitarian social minimum age. Crazy, like Australian governments, like you got to guys try to. Elon did this post. The IRS said it wants to 20 billion more money. Do you think the budget should be deleted? 60% of the people. Happy Thanksgiving. The other winner of $500. So yesterday I gave away $1,000, or yesterday and the day before $1,000 for Thanksgiving. Congratulations, and yeah. Love you all. That's my updates in the market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, World, Uni. Big congratulations. Now I'm just watching volume closely across the board. Volume predicts price. Big congratulations to all of you. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm glad World and Uni and Bitcoin and Ethereum all pumped. My biggest ones all pumped before Thanksgiving or on Thanksgiving, which beautiful. Thank you. And Thanksgiving. Love you all. Have an amazing Black Friday. Check out the socials for announcements about the courses and the Black Friday deals. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Love you all. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.